If Windows 10 or 11 store apps open slowly, hang on splash screens, or show blank windows, you can repair their AppX registrations and damaged Windows components without reinstalling Windows. You'll work from an administrator session to re-register installed app packages, repair the Windows image, and verify protected system files. Save your work and close store apps before you begin, because package repairs can briefly affect them. Store apps such as Photos, Calculator, Mail, and Snipping Tool rely on registered AppX package manifests and local package metadata. If those registrations, cached files, permissions, or protected Windows components become damaged or inconsistent, you may see a blank window, a stuck splash screen, or a long launch delay. These repairs specifically target Microsoft Store apps. If Chrome, Office, Steam, or another classic desktop program is slow instead, you're dealing with a different repair path. The PowerShell repair starts by using get_appx package with all users to enumerate installed AppX packages for each object, then processes every package returned by that command. Add AppX package uses disable development mode and register to register each package again from the AppX manifest.xml file already stored in its installation location. This refreshes broken or missing registrations and package metadata rather than reinstalling Windows, although some built-in apps may be reinitialized. DISM and System File Checker repair different layers, so you run them in this order. DISM targets the online Windows image and repairs its component store. It can obtain required files through Windows Update, so keep your connection stable. After that foundation is repaired, SFC scans protected Windows system files and replaces incorrect or corrupted versions when possible. DISM may appear paused at certain percentages, but that behavior can be normal, so let it complete. Administrator access matters because these repair commands need permission to modify protected Windows components. Open Start, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. The shield icon confirms that elevated rights are required. If that option is missing, make sure you're signed in with an administrator account. Windows now asks you to approve the elevated session before any protected changes can occur. On the User Account Control prompt, click Yes to let Command Prompt run with administrator rights. If you cannot approve the prompt, switch to an administrator account before continuing. This repairs broken AppX registrations and package metadata that can delay store app launches. In PowerShell, run the displayed get_appx package command, which enumerates packages for all users and registers each existing AppX manifest.xml again. The process can take a few minutes, and some red text is not always fatal. If you see many errors, confirm PowerShell is running as administrator. Next, you repair the Windows image and component store that store apps depend on. In Command Prompt, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health and allow it to finish completely. If the percentage appears stuck, keep waiting because pauses can be normal, and maintain a stable connection in case DISM needs files from Windows Update. With the Windows image repaired, System File Checker can now verify protected system files against the corrected components. In Command Prompt, run sfc/scanow and wait until the scan reaches completion. If it cannot repair everything, restart Windows and run the scan again from an administrator command prompt. After all three repairs finish, restart your PC and test apps such as Calculator, Photos, and Microsoft Store again. For questions, updates, or help with your specific setup, join the discussion thread on windowsforum.com.